Welcome to another installment of AC Pro Answers the top questions about your vehicle's air conditioning. Let's dive back in. Imagine that it's in the middle of the summer. Your vehicle's air conditioning isn't blowing cold or just isn't working as well as it used to. You go to the store, buy an AC Pro recharge kit, open the hood, and then don't know what to do. A question we're frequently asked is about finding the low side port, which is the point through which you add refrigerant to a vehicle's AC system. You can usually identify this port with a cap sometimes stamped with an L. Otherwise, it can easily be found by visiting acprocold.com and checking out our port finder tool. Another question stems from why the low side port is needed in the first place. We are often asked about leaks in the AC system and about the difference between rubber and metal leaks. Well, they're exactly what they sound like. Refrigerant either leaks from a rubber component, like an O-ring or gasket, or from metal, like a metal line. These leaks are a common reason that an AC system isn't blowing cold, or isn't blowing as well as it used to. You also might be wondering why some products say they seal rubber leaks, but not metal. Put simply, rubber is more likely to break down than metal, so in many cases, it becomes the first fail point in the AC system. At AC Pro, we've thought that through. Products like our standard ultra-synthetic recharge kits and refills are formulated to help seal rubber leaks that may be causing the system to blow warm, while our Super Seal contains moisture-activated chemicals to help seal leaks in the condenser, evaporator, accumulator, and receiver dryer. One last question for now, and it's a tough one to answer. How long should a recharge or refill last? The thing is, as much as we would love to have a definitive answer for this, it's somewhat impossible to say for certain. There are many variables that make it extremely difficult to know for sure, like the size of the leak that caused the system to lose refrigerant, conditions the system is subjected to in the vehicle's daily life, and frequency of use of the AC system. However, we can say that in most cases, like those of small leaks, a refill or recharge should last you at least a season, and likely much longer. If your AC blows warm sooner than that, chances are there's a bigger issue at play. That's all for now. Learn more about all of our products and get step-by-step instructions and more at acprocold.com.